Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best fish tank divider is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any aquarium enthusiast looking to create a more controlled and harmonious environment for their aquatic pets, allowing for the separation of fish species, breeding programs, or the introduction of new inhabitants without immediate conflict, ultimately contributing to a healthier and less stressful life for all your underwater companions. Number 5. Bubblefin Aquarium Sump Refugium DIY Kit. Easily create a dedicated refugium space in your aquarium. This kit provides the essential components to enhance your tank's ecosystem. Build your own sump refugium with this convenient DIY kit. It's designed to help you customize your filtration setup for optimal results. Integrate your protein skimmer seamlessly into your new refugium. This setup is ideal for improving water quality and clarity. Specifically engineered for 40-gallon long aquariums, this kit ensures a perfect fit. It helps you maximize the space within your tank. The included chamber dividers allow for organized and efficient water flow. This promotes a healthier environment for your aquatic life. Take control of your aquarium's health with this versatile sump refugium kit. It's a simple yet effective way to upgrade your setup. What we like. This is a DIY kit that allows for a completely customizable setup. If you are looking to build a specialized filtration system or integrate a protein skimmer, this is the perfect choice for you. You can tailor it to your exact needs. What people say. The divider is well made and fits perfectly in a 20-gallon tank. It effectively separates fish, preventing aggression and allowing for multiple species in one tank. The suction cups hold the divider securely in place, even with active swimmers. Number 4. Lifewithpets 20-gallon long aquarium tank divider. Ensure a perfect fit for your aquarium. This divider is specifically designed for aquarium 20-gallon long tanks, measuring 30.25 inches by 12.5 inches by 12.75 inches. Installation is a breeze with its innovative design. You won't need any suction cups, making it easy to set up and maintain. Crafted from solid, non-toxic closed-cell PVC, it offers a sturdy and safe environment for your aquatic life. Achieve a perfect fit with adjustable sidebars. Simply slide them out to touch the glass or up to secure under the rim. This divider is also suitable for reptile tanks. With a simple silicone application, it can be securely installed. Enhance your aquarium's aesthetic with its beautiful and sleek design. What we like. This divider features adjustable sidebars and requires no suction cups for installation, offering a sleek and secure fit. If you prefer a clean look and easy setup without the hassle of suction cups, this is the ideal option. It's perfect for those who want a minimalist aesthetic. What people say. This divider is a great way to separate fish in a 20-gallon tank. The divider is made of a durable plastic that is easy to clean. It comes with suction cups that hold it securely in place. Number 3. Hoppeyfiy Aquarium Filter Divider 8-piece Set. Introducing the Hoppeyfiy Aquarium Filter Divider, a versatile tool designed to enhance your fish tank environment. This set helps you create a safer and more organized space for your aquatic pets. Easily separate different fish species to prevent biting and protect delicate fish eggs. Simply place the dividers horizontally on the tank bottom or vertically to create safe zones. Each divider measures 30 by 30 centimeters, offering ample space. You can easily trim them with scissors to perfectly fit your specific aquarium needs, ensuring a snug and effective separation. Setting up your new aquarium partitions is a breeze. The included sucker clips allow for quick and secure installation without the need for any complicated tools or procedures. Keep your aquarium clean and tidy with ease. These dividers help to contain food residuals, feces, and other debris, making routine cleaning of the tank bottom much simpler. Crafted from strong and sturdy plastic, these dividers are built to last. Enjoy reliable performance and extended use, ensuring a stable environment for your fish for a long time. This comprehensive 8-in-1 set provides you with plenty of dividers. You can use them individually or in combination to meet all your aquarium separation and filtration requirements. What we like. With 8 pieces and the ability to be cut to size, this set offers incredible versatility. If you need to create multiple small compartments, protect eggs, or simply need a flexible partitioning solution, this is an excellent value. It's great for breeding or managing fry. What people say. The divider is well made and fits perfectly in my 20-gallon tank. It effectively separates my betta fish from my other tank mates, preventing any aggression. The suction cups hold the divider securely in place, even with the water flow. Number 2. Lifewithpets 20-gallon long aquarium tank divider, 3-pack. Introducing the Lifewithpets 20-gallon long aquarium tank divider. This 3-pack is designed for a precise fit, ensuring your aquatic environment is perfectly sectioned. Please note, these dividers are exclusively compatible with USA Aquarium 20-gallon long tanks. Their specific dimensions ensure a secure and stable placement within these tanks only. Installation is a breeze with no suction cups required. Simply adjust the sidebars for a snug fit against the glass and under the rim. Crafted from closed-cell PVC, these dividers are solid, sturdy, and non-toxic. You can trust that they provide a safe environment for your aquatic pets. While ideal for standard setups, they are not suitable for bare bottom or reptile tanks unless secured with silicone. Enjoy a customized aquarium experience. What we like. This is a 3-pack bundle that also features adjustable sidebars and no suction cups for a secure fit. If you have multiple 20-gallon long tanks or need spares, this multi-pack offers convenience and value. It's ideal for hobbyists with several tanks of this specific size. What people say. The divider is a great fit for a 20-gallon tank, effectively separating fish. It's easy to install and stays in place securely, preventing fish from crossing. The material is durable and doesn't seem to harm the fish. Number 1. Lifewithpets 20-gallon high tank divider. Introducing the Lifewithpets 20-gallon high tank divider. This essential accessory is designed to create separate environments within your aquarium. Please ensure your tank is a 20-gallon high model with dimensions of 24.25 L x 12.5 W x 16.75 H. Not all 20-gallon high tanks share the same size. Installation is a breeze with its innovative design. You won't need any suction cups for a secure and stable fit. Crafted from a solid, sturdy, and non-toxic material, it ensures a safe environment for your aquatic pets. Featuring adjustable sidebars, you can achieve the perfect fit for your specific tank setup. Please note, this divider is not suitable for reptile tanks unless secured with silicone. It is also not recommended for bare bottom tanks. What we like. Specifically designed for 20-gallon high tanks, this divider ensures a perfect fit without suction cups. If you own a 20-gallon high tank and are looking for a secure, easy-to-install solution, this is the one. It eliminates guesswork for owners of this particular tank model. What people say. This divider is designed to fit a 20-gallon tank, providing a secure separation for your fish. The divider features a sturdy construction that ensures it stays in place without shifting, creating distinct zones within the tank. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.